Tokyo. May buntag mga besh, mga bye.
Sige mga buntag sa nito karon we are moving locations. We're getting out of Aberri's Hotel and going to an Airbnb. Salamat kayo kay nasila pool. That's why we're transferring. So look at all our mess right now. Wow.
What kind of backpackers are we?
This is insane.
The ones that go online shopping during quarantine.
No, you do.
Yeah, me. Okay, fine. What?
So we're currently packing right now. Here's a couple backpacker tips and tricks. First off, don't pack these. It takes way too much space. Pack little tiny swimsuits as your shorts. Roll them up. You can fit all your goodies in one little bag. Zip it up.
You missed one.
Whoa. And then this boxing square goes into that backpack. And then you're organized.
Once you get everything into the square.
So let's see if Ma'am Joey can do it.
Note to everyone, do not buy...
So Ma'am Joey got a few
I got some
sweats and stuff.
I bought sweats, not for here.
And look how much space that's already taken
That's
up.
one. Shiz.
Let's get it packing. Alright, so this is what it looks like once you have put all your clothes in a square, whatever you call these. What are these? Bagging squares?
Packing.
Packing squares. Just shove it in your backpack. That's all I travel with. And of course we got some dirty clothes there. But it's like a total of like 5 shirts that I use. Or 3 shirts, I don't know. Very minimal. Do not bring stuff that you do not need if you're gonna backpack.
Like 2 pairs of shoes that are exactly the same.
Yes, this is a perfect example of what not to do. Do not bring multiple shoes. I only brought these, and I still don't use them. I use my Spartan chinelas, and I bought these in Manila because I was feeling social, but I do not use those. And now I gotta carry it around.
I like when you buy things.
Yeah, she has a weird attraction whenever I buy stuff. You're not doing too well.
I'm not. I'm not.
She's not a backpacker anymore.
I am a backpacker.
She's a social traveler.
I'm not social at all.
Yeah, true.
I just
But what are these?
bought
Those are pretty social.
I just bought some fitness gear. Plug it.
Whoa!
There will be a discount code soon. I just haven't activated it yet.
Flex.
What
Do a
you-
push-up.
Oh, I thought you meant like flex my collab, but you mean like physically flex.
Yeah.
No. I broke my knee.
Goodbye room. Quick little tour of the corner. Just want to expose Zoe real quick.
Oh, come on!
That's all her hair that she sheds, and I just kind of sweep it into the corner.
That was embarrassing.
Look at all your clothes. These are all yours.
That's still in there?
Oh my gosh.
Oh man. Shit. Packed. I managed to get all of that into here.
It's pretty good. That's why you need to buy these packing squares. And do not pack as much as Mom Joey did.
Yeah, whatever.
Now we have to manage to carry all of our food. We also have a fridge downstairs. We have to carry all this food over to our new Airbnb.
And the freezer.
But worth it if they have.
A swimming pool.
Sige, so Tita Ernst, dili sa Aberri's, dili siya kapalong na mubalhin mi sa Airbnb. She has no idea we're checking out today, so she's gonna be heartbroken. So I feel really bad. But yeah, we're gonna go check out right now and see
What she said.
she says. Pressure. We love you, Tita, if you're watching this. Alright, we're nervous to tell Tita that we're checking out. We don't know how to do this because we love her
I'm so nervous.
and we love this dolphin. Tita, we have some good bad news.
What's the good? Oh, bad news first.
Sago lang good o bad news.
What happened? Sige, tell me.
We're checking out. We will miss Tita very much. Diri sa Aberri's Hotel Pension. Dagan siya pangalan diri sa hotel, no? Unsay?
Aberri's Country Villa.
At Aberri's Country Villa, Aberri's Pension Hotel. Basta kung namo diri sa Dumaguete, Tanawa, check-in diri sa Aberri's. Kay nindot kayo. 2 months kami diri nag-check-in. O si Tita Ernst ang pinaka-the best. So kung check-in mo diri, you will have lots of fun with her.
Yeah.
Maayo siya mosayaw. Lingaw-lingaw kayo siya, hospitable. Murag siya nanay dire. So,
Nanay
nagpasalamat
ko.
mi sa ila kay dire mi nagstay during quarantine. And now we will finally check into somewhere else just to switch it up. Bye, Nay. We'll miss you. See you.
Bye, Nye.
All right, we're ready to go. Check into our new place, Aberys. It's been real. It's been good.
But catch on the flip.
Catch on the flip. We're gonna check into somewhere else. Like I said, if you're here in Dumaguete, come check it out. And we are super grateful for Hyundai for hooking us up with this car for 2 months. It was only supposed to be a month road trip, but we got locked down and they let us keep the car for now, so it's been super helpful.
Thank you. Imagine moving all of this with like motorbikes or a tricycle or something.
Yes.
Holy heck.
So check out all this stuff. We have a whole trunk full, or boot full, as you say in Australia.
We do have a boot full.
So shout out to Hyundai.
Okay, padunks.
Zoom.
Oh, is it? I'm gonna take this off to speak. Okay, how do you say it? Padung. Padung. We're on the way to our new Airbnb. We're so excited. But we're just going. Oh, sure. Sorry. Hold on. Which way are we going?
Turn right.
Right. Okay. Speak. Oh, yikes.
You speak.
No, you. I am not enough.
Sige, nakaabot na kami diri sa among Airbnb. Tanawa mo ni among entrance. Grabe ka astig, social. Mo ni si Ma'am Joey ang model sa among Hyundai Ioniq. So daga nagpangutana unsay itsura sa among sakyanan. Mao ni siya. Astig kayo.
It's nice.
Very puti. Not really, we need to wash it. It's been in storage for 2 months because it's locked down. But this is what it looks like. If you want to check out Hyundai, they have locations in Cebu and Dumaguete, as well as multiple others, but this one specifically came from Cebu, and we are currently in Dumaguete. So yeah, check it out. Those are the locations.
Yeah.
If you're interested in looking at a new car,
We do recommend this one. It's very fuel efficient. We filled up twice.
yeah, but it saved us a lot of money in gas. So check out this car for show. But we need to check in, bring all our bags, all our food, all of our eatlogs that Ma'am Joey bought.
eggs just now.
So, tara! Sa mo ni siya among bago na hotel, among Airbnb. Usa ka studio lang, pero astig. We got a tiny kitchen. And we got a pool. Very nice.
Show them the sign on the front of
So, ang plano karon, we are going to get some lunch at where? Some pizza place.
Yes, Neighbors Pizza.
They have freaking good, delicious oven-cooked pizzas here in Dumaguete.
Yeah, wood fire oven baked pizza.
Yes, and then finally we will take a dip after lunch because it is so bloody hot. So, diri nagpuyo ang tagya sa balay, o tagya sa among studio. One ilang pets na si Kwan. Sausage, no?
Sausage and Piper.
Si Sausage o si Piper. Hey, Sausage. Oh, he likes me now. Hey, Sausage.
Where are you going?
To Neighbors Pizza. Becky with the good hair. Oh yeah. That one's mine. This one's yours. Holy hot.
This is Neva's Pizza.
I got something different this time. I got seafood.
Really?
Yeah.
Got the Hawaiian. Alright, we're gonna enjoy this delightful pizza
And this view.
and this view.
It's a day.
And then we are gonna go over to Barangay Hall and get ourselves some, what are they, quarantine passes?
Go.
Because we transferred to a new place, we do not have a pass. We're not allowed to be outside, but we have no choice because we have to go get it. And we have to eat. So that's the plan. Kaunta. Alright, so this is the pass we got at the Barangay Hall. We are able to go outside Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 7 to 6 p.m. Mao na siya, dapat na ay pass or madakpan ka.
Yeah. Hello.
Hala.
We go home now?
And swim?
Yes. It's so hot.
Sausage!
No, ayaw.
What the heck?
No, sausage. Hello, sausage.
What happened? Hey. Hey.
We're friends. Hello.
I was out of town to find myself a way to get myself out of this world.
so humana kami maligo sa swimming pool. Niuban si Ma'am Joey after her work. Naguban siya. Nindot kay init ang tubig tungod sa adlaw kay grabe init karon panahon. So mura siya hot spring ganiha sa among night swim.
Nice.
Very nice. So we're very excited about this new place.
Welcome a lot, boy.
Oh, my bad.
Thank you.
Sige. So karon magluto si Ma'am Joey kay maayo siya na asawa.
Asawa?
Uya pa lang. Grabe. Sige. Sige, so what are you cooking?
Curry, but vegetable. Because one, I don't eat beef anymore, and two, even if I did, we would use a full tank of gas making that thing tender. So
True. Alright, so let's watch how Ma'am Joey cooks this meal.
Really?
Yep. Pressure on.
Okay.
Alright, Zoe wants to talk about her talong.
Okay. This is the saddest looking talong. This was a beautiful talong about a week ago.
About a week ago.
And then, well, that's when I bought it. And then I forgot to cook this meal. But I think it's still okay. We'll see when we cut it. But first, the garlic.
Hold up.
Why?
Drink. Kini na rice cooker ang pinakagamay o pinaka-cute sa tanan.
I want it as a pet.
Does anyone know how to cook using a mini rice cooker? Because it's already full of rice. You can't put that much water in. It's gonna overflow and possibly ruin the rice cooker.
Yes.
Here,
But
Bill.
it's so cute.
Sige, humanang masterpiece ni Ma'am Joey. Kari-kari, utan style, gulay style, whoopum gulay style.
Ew.
All right, give
Okay.
it a go and let me know how it tastes. Let me know how I did.
I always tell you that it's great because I'm the one who made it.
It's hot. 10 out of 10 would recommend on Yelp. All right, so it's pretty good. How do food bloggers do this? Scrumptious, crunchy yet soft.
Moist.
Slimy yet satisfying.
I don't think it's slimy.
Sassy.
No, from Lion King.
Blah, blah, but satisfying.
Anyways, this is very delicious. This is also the end of the vlog because I just want to eat now and not vlog.
Yeah.
To be honest.
I don't want to talk to you about it. So.
What? But yeah, I can assure you that this is pretty good. Maybe Ma'am Joey can cook for y'all if you DM her and say, slimy yet scrumptious. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Unta na linga mo.
It's not even how it goes.
No, but that's how this one goes.
Okay.
Salamat sa pagtanaw. O gamit mo. Tanan.
Ta-nan! Oh yeah, by the way, we'll do some more vlogs here because we have a new place. And yeah, stay tuned.
I was out of town to find myself.